This is the problem with packing tape. Once you peel off the amount that you need, it is really hard to tear the tape. It takes a lot of work, and if you try really hard, you might be able to do it, but okay. A lot of work, it's messy. You need scissors or a knife. This is Scotch tear by hand packing tape. Now watch the difference here. I'll peel off a little, and then to tear it, just go like that. Super easy. And also the tape is strong, and it's just like regular packing tape, except it's super easy to tear. It's a little bit more expensive than regular packing tape, but it's the only kind I use now because it's so convenient. Scotch tear by hand packaging tape.
This is a survival tool. You might have seen survival shows where they carry a flint and a knife and they strike it and it makes sparks. This has the tiniest version of that. It's a little flint stone and it has a metal edge like a knife. And you go like this and you make flames. In the survival version, you have the big knife and you have the flint stone and you have the little piece of metal, and you need to have some dry fuel that you have to find and keep dry in order to light it, and you have to strike several times. This has the same thing, but it has built-in fuel. It's a little bit of petrol, and it is always self-contained and ready. You're not going to have to hunt around for it or keep it dry. This whole thing weighs only 11 grams, not even half an ounce. It's much lighter than a knife and a flint. It always has fuel ready to go. It can do hundreds of these very reliably. And it's cheap. This is called a Bic Mini. It's like your standard Bic lighter, but it's a small version. And I have one in my backpack. I've got one in my go bag. I've got one in the medical kit. Put it anywhere where you might possibly need one in an emergency. They will last forever. And you, again, don't have to fuss. It's a no-muss fire lighting, very reliable, much lighter and more compact than carrying a flint. Of course, a flint may last forever, but you're not going to need emergency light forever. This is all you need, and it's probably maybe $1. The Bic Mini survival tool. Thanks.
Just Read is a free browser extension that I use that enables reader mode on every web page. This is their website, and this is just a quick demo of how it works. I have the button up here in my toolbar. It's this blue icon with the open book. And here is an example of how it works on different web pages. I just click the button, and I have my text, distraction free, no ads. I can just scroll as I read. Here's another website. You can customize the styles with the paintbrush. They have different style sheets. These are free. There are more configurations available to you if you sign up for the premium account, which I think is just $1 a month. But I'm pretty happy with the free version. You can install it using the Chrome Web Store or the Firefox browser add-ons store, or if you sign up directly through their website. I think there's more options. They have mobile and other ways to install it.